Have you ever wondered if a simple cup of tea could be a game changer for your overall health? What if I told you that cinnamon tea isn't just a delicious beverage, but a potential powerhouse of healing properties that have been recognized for thousands of years? A spice more precious than gold. Let's take a quick trip back in time. Did you know that cinnamon was once so valuable that it was considered more precious than gold? Ancient Egyptians used this remarkable spice not just for cooking, but for medicinal purposes and even in mummification rituals. But before we explore its incredible benefits, let's address a critical question. Are all cinnamons created equal? Here's a mind-blowing fact. There are two primary types of cinnamon: Ceylon, true cinnamon, and Cassia. Ceylon cinnamon stands out as a superior variety, offering exceptional medicinal properties with minimal health risk. In contrast, Cassia cinnamon, though more common, contains higher levels of coumarin that could potentially harm liver function if consumed excessively. For optimal health benefits, choose Ceylon cinnamon. Do watch till the end, as you won't want to miss any of these precious reasons for drinking cinnamon tea. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Blood sugar support. Research shows that cinnamon may help with blood sugar management through its bioactive compounds. Studies indicate that regular consumption of Ceylon cinnamon can modestly reduce fasting blood sugar levels and may improve insulin sensitivity. While promising, these effects are moderate, and cinnamon should not replace prescribed medications for diabetes management. The benefits appear most effective when cinnamon is part of a comprehensive blood sugar management plan. Number 2. Antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound with documented antimicrobial properties. Laboratory studies have demonstrated its effectiveness against certain bacteria and fungi. While most research has been conducted in vitro, studies show that cinnamon can help create an environment less favorable to harmful microorganisms. However, more human clinical trials are needed to fully understand these benefits in the context of drinking cinnamon tea. 3. Digestive health support. Cinnamon offers potential benefits for digestive health through several mechanisms. Research suggests it may help stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Some studies indicate it could help balance gut bacteria and ease digestive discomfort, though more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans consuming cinnamon tea specifically. 4. Weight management support. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may support healthy weight management through multiple mechanisms. As mentioned earlier, cinnamon tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can influence appetite and food cravings. Research indicates that cinnamon might help improve metabolism and reduce inflammation associated with obesity. However, these effects are modest and should be considered as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle rather than a standalone solution. 5. Cardiovascular health. Clinical studies suggest that cinnamon may have modest beneficial effects on heart health markers. Research indicates it may help reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while supporting healthy blood vessel function. While these effects are promising, they are generally moderate, and cinnamon should be viewed as one component of a heart-healthy lifestyle rather than a primary treatment. 6. Cognitive health support. Preliminary research, primarily in laboratory and animal studies, suggests cinnamon may have neuroprotective properties. While early findings about its effects on brain health are interesting, particularly regarding inflammation and cellular protection, more human clinical trials are needed to confirm these benefits. Current evidence is not strong enough to recommend cinnamon as a primary intervention for neurodegenerative conditions. What's your favorite way to enjoy cinnamon? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these amazing benefits of cinnamon tea. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.